Happy birthday, Hawawa. I love you.
What did you say? Sing happy birthday first.
Happy birthday, Pastor Lito! Long time no see, my friend and my co-worker in the Lord Jesus Christ. Salamat sa Panginoong Diyos at muli binigyan ka ng panibagong taon ng iyong buhay. 65th birthday, wow! Purihin ang Diyos for giving you a wonderful life at punong-puno na pagpapala. Lalo't higit ay patuloy kang nakakapag-share ng salita ng Diyos sa mga taong nangangailangan ng kaligtasan. Dalangin ko, mahal na pastor, mahal kong kaibigan, ay patuloy kang bigyan ng kalakasan, iba yung kalakasan, pisikal at espiritual ng ating Panginoong Hesus. At patuloy kanyang patatagin sa iyong panampalataya at patuloy na makapaglingkod sa Kanya to glorify His holy name. Nawa ay bigyan ka pa niya ng mahaba pang buhay at iba yung kalusugang pisikal at espiritual. Ganon din naman ay patuloy ka maging pagpapala sa amin at sa iglesia ng COG Imos at sa iyong mga kaibigan, kakilala, kapitbahay. Salamat sa Panginoon. Kaya naman alam kong patuloy kanyang pagpapalain, patuloy kanyang gagabayan at iingatan sa bawat sandali ng iyong buhay. Kaya muli, mahal kong kaibigan, kamanggagawa sa basan ng Panginoong Hesus, binabati kita ng isang happy birthday. God bless you, my dear friend. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Tito Lito. We love you. See you soon in Oman. God bless you
po. Happy birthday, Pastor Lito. We're praying for more good health and God's favor upon your life and to your family as well. Continue on serving the Lord. Once again, happy birthday, Pastor Lito. God bless you more.
Enjoy your day.
Okay. Happy birthday, Pastor Lolo. Dito. Okay. Thank God for your life. Okay. We wish you more birthdays to come, a healthy life, and I know na masaya ka naman sa piling ng iyong mabait at magandang asawa. And we miss you and we'll see you soon. God bless po. Happy birthday again.
Happy 65th birthday for Lola Lito. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Your kindness, strength, and zest for life inspire me every day. I hope your birthday is filled with as much joy as you bring to those around you. We love you!